healthy alternatives to your favorite comfort foods. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about one of my favorite topics, comfort food. I love indulging in my favorite dishes, but I also know how important it is to eat healthy and take care of my body. That's why today, I'm going to show you some healthy alternatives to your favorite comfort foods. These options are just as delicious, but they won't leave you feeling guilty afterward. Let's get started. Segment 1. Mac and cheese. First up, let's talk about mac and cheese. It's a classic comfort food, but it's not exactly the healthiest option out there. Instead, try swapping out the traditional pasta for a high-protein alternative, like chickpea or lentil pasta. These options have more fiber and protein than traditional pasta, which will keep you feeling fuller for longer. You can also make a cheese sauce using cashews and nutritional yeast, which is a much healthier alternative to traditional cheese. Segment 2. Pizza. Next, let's talk about pizza. Who doesn't love a good slice of pizza? But it's no secret that pizza isn't exactly the healthiest food out there. Instead of ordering takeout, try making your own pizza at home using a cauliflower crust. You can load it up with veggies and lean protein, like chicken or shrimp, and top it off with a little bit of cheese. Trust me, it's just as delicious as traditional pizza. Segment 3. Ice cream. Last but not least, let's talk about dessert. Ice cream is a classic comfort food, but it's also packed with sugar and unhealthy fats. Instead, try making your own nice cream using frozen bananas and a little bit of almond milk. You can add in your favorite flavors, like cocoa powder or peanut butter, for a healthier and just as delicious alternative. Conclusion, and there you have it. 3 healthy alternatives to some of your favorite comfort foods. Remember, it's all about balance and moderation. You don't have to give up your favorite foods entirely, but you can make healthier choices that will make a big difference in the long run. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more healthy and delicious recipes. Thanks for watching.